Right, he done that on purpose. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back and thanks again for joining me in my ride today. I really do appreciate your company. Well, today I'm doing about a 50-mile loop from Exeter out to Moretonhampstead and across the moors to Haytor and then down into Bovey and up to Haldon. So like I said, it's a 50-mile loop with about 4,000 feet of climbing. So guys, as usual, let's go and see if we see anything else interesting on today's ride. Yeah, so I'm out on the tarmac again. Also, weather is dry. Yeah, so on days like this, nice and warm and dry, I thought I'll keep taking the tarmac out, but I think the next ride I'm out on the Creo. I've got a nice gravel ride planned. I haven't been on her since I brought this bike. And then I guess I'll be getting her fitted up for some winter riding and the Mudguards back on her again. Ugh. So I'm not going to talk about that now. I'm going to enjoy this nice warm dry weather that we got now. Oh, nearly at the top of the hill there, guys. I'll be dropping down into Mortonhampstead next. I'm going right through Moretonhampstead, right out the other side to North Bovey. You locals know where I'm going. My God, look at this guy up here, he's doing some packing. His bike is proper loaded up, taking a leak. Yeah. I must admit, when I take a leak when I'm out riding, I do go somewhere discreet. I don't stand beside the road. How about you guys? Let me know in the comments. Do you just stop your bike, jump off and take a leak? Or do you find somewhere nice and discreet? Bit of privacy. I've got to watch these corners because there's a lot of grit on the road. And I don't fancy the bike sliding out from underneath me. Yeah, I'm in Moretonhampstead now, guys. The kitty there in the road. Alright. Thank you. It was very quiet in Moretonhampstead today. And all that climbing I've done this morning, and this bike is so nice on the climbs. My legs are still really refreshed. Yeah, I've done 1,800 feet of climbing. Down in the bottom, look guys. Yeah, 1,800 feet of climbing, and I'm still feeling really refreshed. Such a nice bike to climb on. You know, I'm not the fastest climber, but certainly make my way up there. Yeah. Beautiful golf course in there in North Bovey. I haven't been out this way since I've done the Dartmoor Classic. Oh, that was a good day. That was wet, but it was a good day. Thoroughly enjoyed myself. Yeah, I'm in the lanes again now, guys. Look at them chickens here, guys. See if we can get them to come over to us. They're proper feathery ones, aren't they? Yeah, there's the bike now, guys. I put my little Raveman light back on the bike. Just saves the battery in my Cycliq. That was a nice little shortcut. Let them through. Oh, climbing up on Dartmoor now, guys. Yeah, the trouble with Dartmoor is a little bit lumpy. Yeah, there's always a climb to be done here on Dartmoor. But to be honest, most of my climbing's done now, apart from going up to Haldon. Yeah, I've done 2,500 feet of climbing already. So I've only got about 1,500 feet to climbing left, so that's good. There's Jay's grave there, look guys. Yeah, sad story about Jay. I have done a feature of it on the channel before, so if you want to find out a little bit more about Jay's grave, and yeah, go and watch that one. Yeah. Yeah, that's Hound Tour, as in Hound of the Baskervilles. Yeah, I don't blame you. We're getting a bit of shade. Bless him. Where's he going? Where are they going? If they're trying to get back into the field they've escaped from. A gorgeous day, isn't it, guys? Absolutely beautiful. Right, I'm going to make my way down now. I'm not going all the way down into Bovey. I've got to turn off halfway. I've got an errand to do. Right, I'll see you at the bottom. I'm turning off here. Follow these cars. noisy, isn't it? Well, I'm heading towards Chudley Knighton now. Oh, yeah. The Union flag and the Devon flag. That's all right. Freeway control, they took ages. That's quite hot standing there. Big climb now, guys. 1.6 miles, 531 feet of climbing. This massive hill. It's going to take me all the way up to Haldon. And then I'll go down the other side back into Exeter. It's nice. And I much prefer going up this hill on the Creo. Believe me. Look at that, guys, 40 miles, 4,000 feet of climbing. Yeah, that's about average here in Devon. Works out roughly to be around about 1,000 feet of climbing for every 10 miles ridden. That's why if you live in Devon, you're better off with an e-bike or a bike like this, which is good for climbing. Oh, it's beautiful here, guys, isn't it? Yeah, so I'm up at Haldon now. How much drink have I got? Well, I've got enough drink, so I don't need to stop. Yeah, I brought 2 bottles with me today. You're welcome. Right, he done that on purpose. Right, I'm just on the boundary of Exeter now, look, guys. I'm going to be taking a right. And take the new cycle trail. Taking a left here now. I bet these are invisible at night times. Imagine coming around here straight into that. There's a lot of building going on around here. Yeah, these are quite a nightmare, these barriers, aren't they? I can imagine they're difficult to see at night time. Yeah, I thoroughly enjoyed my ride today. You know, a bit warm, I must admit. Oh, look at that beauty. I just timed that just right. Oh, perfect timing, bro. Thank you. Yeah, so today's ride I've done 49 miles, 4,579 feet of climbing. That's it from me for today's ride. I hope you enjoyed that one. Well, if you did, could you please give us a like and come and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Until next time, guys, keep smiling and riding. Take care. See you soon. Bye for now. Bye-bye.